Ya share radio dina no munyam. Ya man so na ya kese. Esan se wo fata. So wo gia yeyi. Baby a wo hwe me bia, baby a wo hwe me bia. Ka me ho ye for sorry ma safo. Ewurade. Oya yem sisi. Ayem sisi ni mo bro. Atom ni adoye asani ma we shia enye ono dia sa no tio sa no tie erade sa no tie sara no tio sara no tio sa no tie erade sa no Sala not you, Niango Posa Sasa not you, Sala not ye, Eradisano. Miss Way I am Sissia, I am Sissia ni mo Bruno, Atomnia Doya, I say anymore. We are the Biblia in your year, on your son, not ye, Name. Sara notie, inyame sa notie, enumre sara notie, sara notie, sara notie, erade sa no, sara notie, me yangu po sara notie, sara notie, erade sa no, me so I am sisi. I am sisi ni mo bro atom ni adoye asani ma we the biblia enye me yangu posara notio sala notie erade sa notie sala notie sala notie sala notie erade sa Sawakaso Beshrawa, Obeshrawo, Wakaso Bayo Cassia, Obeyo Cassia, Mrs. Sarah not you, Miago Sarah not you, Sanote, Eradisano, Mr. Wakaso Beshrawa, Eradu Obeyo Shira, Wakaso Bayo Cassia. Kasia no beyawo Mrs. Sala not you me yangu po Sala not you Sala not you Eradisa not you Sala not you Dama not you Name Dama not you Eradi Dama not you Mrs. Dama not you Minyami dama noti, erade dama noti, sa noti, erade sa noti, sara noti. Eradisano, don't me eka fo eradinika asi and then umeya unimi ka afo eradinika asi. And I know me, I won't name me, ka wasia ensado yeyiwaya ensado Jesus yada wasia ensado yeyiwaya ensada okusunso yada wasia ensado yeyiwaya ensado Jesus yada wasia ensado yeyiwaya ensada enumwe yada wasia ensado misi yeyiwaya ensado yada wasia ensado yeyiwaya ensada womenyamia umayediye womenyamia wodiyenko bada yada wasia ensado yeyiwaya ensado Jesus yada wasia ensado yeyiwaya ensada okukeswe yada wasia ensado yeyiwaya ensado yada wasia ensado yeyiwaya anumene tutuma sedakwa bibomi sama seda bipojamenia seda bipojamesa sido sabibiama ya sida sabitini mana seda sabipojamesa ya seda jameyo bia ya sido ya sido ya sido ya sido ya seda efiseda ya mameno adosupi sabipojamesa sido bipojamena ya seda sabipojamena ya seda sametundu maya sido ademeyo biara ya sido ya sido efiseda ya mamero adosupi ewada mama wo wa mama ni mwangu ase nitafu kesi Yesu mima wambo bisi ewada mama wo wa mama ni mwangu ase nitafu kesi Yesu mima wambo bisi ewada mama wo da mama ni mwangu ase nitafu kesi Yesu mima wambo bisi nitafu kesi mima wambo bisi nitafu kesi Jesus biwa yeni mai wa mama wo da wa mama ni mwangu ase nitafu kesi Yesu mima wambo enunu wa mayo wa mayo ni mwangu ase nitafu kesi Yesu mima wambo bisi wati Yesu acheye kwa wati Jesus acheye kwa yede yanto yentia wanjie bibi wati Yesu acheye kwa yede yanto yentia bibi wati Yesu acheye yede yanto yentia wanjie kaprabako wati Yesu acheye enumwe wati Yesu acheye wati Jesus acheye yede yanto yentia wanti embribiawa wadi Yesu acheye yede yanto yentia wanti embribi wadi Yesu acheye yansabwa kwa nyami ohune
Okay, Revelation chapter 5. Everybody saw it today. Said ye ain't coupon what here. Say you call him anymore. Said you go to Nosifa. Say you call president to be anymore. Said you want to see far. But of all any pump on you, any petty bread upon you, any part, any bread and pump, and your colony, my good way. Your colony, my good train. Your colony, my other for me. And you walk over here. Your way I want to swear. Both one your phone swear. Say I will see some the fact. Say I will sorry rather far. I was sorry in front of my pen. I was sorry in front of my pen. Oh, when one is saying to sign of your money. Or one when
Jesus. We are not Cassia. We are not
Revelation chapter 5, verse 1 downwards. Get here as some are glad to catch me. Chill when Yamia was sorry in the year. Jady upon our Pegano. Who say Yamina was sorry in the year. And you are just as you so when I was sorry. Or both I do a jump on war, and do a Johnny just from my bonwar. I was so sorry that day. But of war, and then so we from Puma. The Radimia, dear Fuso. Or when I was sorry, so, and you were breathless. Ah, no. Oh, I wonder. Revelation chapter 5, verse 1. Yeko Ose.
Revelation chapter 5.
Yes. Yeko. Tienio na ohunu dia oti edwane so no ensani faso
inside and on the back.
Tio wo hunu dia oti edwane so no won ensani fa aya choro ye
sealed with 7 seals.
Na entrana ya choro no ya de ensanu so na sanu.
And I saw a strong angel proclaiming with a loud voice.
Na ohunu obofo kase bia wodi enikase etie
worthy to open the scroll and loose its seals.
Now, above for the Tiamu can say, why no self fantasy? Or maybe a Muayimo, now what they and son on.
And no one in heaven or on the earth or under the earth was able to open the scroll or at it.
Now, on the baby in this row, assassin so, and now say, I want to be a share woman, and now say, be a war.
So I wept much because no one was found worthy to open and read.
Sansemi subebre. Nami hunu oni pebia. obetimi anya kokodro agye nwoma no abie mo atia no
and to look at it.
na wahwem.
But one of the elders said to me,
Na empenifo no mu baako ɛka kyerɛ me sɛ,
do not weep.
hwɛ na wansu.
Behold, the Judah,
Emom hwɛ Juda abusuakuo mu gyata no.
the root of David,
David ase enyini no.
has prevailed to open the scroll,
Wɔsɛ fata sɛ wɔbɛbie nwoma no mu.
to loose its 7 seals.
Na wɔtete nsɔano nso no ano.
And I looked, and behold,
Na mehwɛeɛ na mehuiɛ.
in the midst of the throne and of the 4 living creatures,
Ɛwɔ ayiwa no mfimfini ɛne ateasefoɔ baana no ntam no,
and in the midst of the elders,
ɛne mpanimfoɔ aduonu na ne ntam no,
stood a lamb as though it had been slain,
wɔgyina sɛ oguan ma wɔkɔkɔ no.
having 7 horns and 7 eyes,
Na ɔkita abɛbɛnson ne ani nson
which are 7 spirits of God sent out into the all the earth.
a ɛgyina hɔ ma Onyankopɔn honhom nson a wasoma de ama wiase nyinaa.
Then he came and took the scroll out of the right hand of him who sat on the throne.
Na saa nnipa yi baeɛ ba bɛgye ɛnwa ne firidie a wɔte agya ne soɔ no anim.
Now when he had taken the scroll,
Wɔberɛ a wɔgye nwoma no firi deɛ ɔte agya ne soɔ no,
the 4 living creatures and the 24 elders fell down before the Lamb,
ɔsɛ na mpanimfoɔ aduonu nan ɛne ateasefoɔ baana no atwa hwe ne nan ase.
each having a harp and golden bowls full of incense, which are the prayers of the saints.
Na ɔmo nyinaa wɔ aduhwam a ɛkurakura wɔn a ɛgyina hɔ ma atenefoɔ anaasɛ ahotefoɔ mpaebɔ.
And they sang a new song saying,
Na ɔto anwom foforɔ kaa sɛ,
you are worthy to take the scroll and open its seals.
wosɛ fata sɛ maababɔ ɔfata ma me, wosɛ fata sɛ wobie nwoma no na wote nsɔano nso no,
For you were slain
kyɛn sɛ okuu
and have redeemed us to God by your blood,
na wode wo mogya atɔ yɛn
out of every tribe and tongue and people and nation,
ɛfiri abusuakuo ɔman mu ɛne aman mu,
and have made us kings and priests to our God.
na woayɛ yɛn ahemfo ɛne ahemaa ama yɛn Nyankopɔn,
And we shall reign on the earth.
na yɛbɛdi asase so daa. Okum no. Jehovah. Obama. Okum no. Asemia no so na wura Yesu. Ka se wa wie ye nyarewa. Na wa wie ye na yare se wadwa. Wa wie ye kwante wadwa. Ena ye tira osori Yesu mo mpayema. Wa ya to ya de to ni paduam. Wa ya to ya de to mojem. Efru tire mesi wo nase. Ya de biara edi wonya. Ya de chichiriye. Ya de homa. Apapare wo. Edi Yesu aye bonene no. Wa sori e mutumi no. E fire samra. E mojem ya de. E chirimu ya de. Don't ya de. Receive the healing of God. Case biara dauso. Case biara dauso. Abaye krakro. When you are coming for. When you are chita for what you know for biara. Now we need your one was no. David is a member many sweat me power. Na hina me mo fi baba. Me mo free ni pa. But if you are suffering, was and the assassin of floor. And they were the management of what I want to say no. Over yes, 1 minute what Omana and Samaya Masano. I ran 1 minute what go to Samaya Swallow. Over yes, 1 minute what yes, Sam Payanima. The Roman is we. The last already. The last
we're here. That's the last time we're here. That's the last time we're here. We'll party, we'll to Mano. That's the last time we're here. That's the last time we're here. Oh, that's the last time we're here. Was it the last time? That's the last time. That's the last.
I saw the water the show when you went. I don't know that yes. We don't want to be permission. We don't want to wonderful. We don't want to be every soul. But when you do, a money young woman, Slovakia was the enemy when you go on. What I don't want to win the possible. Now, what did you do? And I was anyway, it's not when you pass. Sanu ani pa ọmọ ewurade yẹ ni da so ẹni na basa na ọsẹ sẹ nipa ẹni ni firi maami ẹni mama ni ẹwọ nam ẹni mu ọbẹrẹ ẹwọ nam wasọ bẹ jẹ ewurade ẹni ẹkọ pẹ̀lú asẹmọ ni a ọna so nkọtara ma ni ẹmu bi ẹmu ta ẹnu ọna wọn na tó bẹ twa ọtí bẹ ti kọ ní bẹ bẹ wie yẹ case that the court remember what I want to say my ambassador remember. The amount says how are you? The amount gain that how are you? And rather than some account, there is a power. There is a power in worship. 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 May that power manifest in your life. You ready for us to hear your mouth? Papa, Bominyon.
Asamo kaya manuma bamano. Oye ni daswa. Ose ni mu. Oye ni daswa. Ose ni udo. Oye ni daswa. Ose ni mu. Oye ni daswa. Ose ni. Missy Jesus, oye ni daswa. Ono ni ose ni udo.
Psalm 127. Everybody has some no hold them out. Psalm 127.
Psalm 127. Unless the Lord build the house, they labor in vain who build it. Unless the Lord guards the city, the watchman stays awake in vain. to sit up late, to eat the bread of sorrows. For so he gives his beloved sleep. For so he gives his beloved sleep.
Unless the Lord build the house, the builders build in vain. And unless the Lord guard the city, the watchmen, they watch the city in vain. There is nothing that any man can obtain or can gain from arm of flesh, because the arm of flesh shall leave you in the middle of the journey. But if the Lord is your hope, and if the Lord is the author and the finisher of your faith, and you may catch will say, and the nipa enka ebeyano, when you make Jeff in the person, never near Yama. There won't you just any panya mountain, and rather someone one of me. It was a sort of already, say on one and one yard. They are all one of one body, so may no cry. Say, Radia Sidina. Say, Radia Sidina. That's a one name Cronoa. Say, Radia name Crona. And say, we are saying, we should have got your bansary. So they want to buy. We got your was so on one who buy. We got your was so tiny. I was so much a carry. So someone who Bible say, Salbambon, when you pray to me from man, what's to me from man, and show to me from man, they will add this and that thing. What a fall. Maybe I want to go back with you, maybe I want to go back with you, the more bump to shake away that you, and the red you have to go, and maybe you are bravo. So, there's a funny scene. Your honor was in the city, as it's say. So, you're meant to Obiasia. Okay, kind. Psalm 3, verse 1, never know say. Psalm 3, 11, and 11 was to say. When you're being sit down, what there's for a yakwa. And then we was saying, that's a what you need. And you know, swam. If you are at the end of the year, if the foundation, Psalm 11, verse 3. Psalm 11 verse 3 was saying, if the foundation of the righteous destroy, what can he do? Say what in the fabric essaya at the end of the year. And then yes, we are the foundation of my diet. It is so be a bravo to me at Intima. We shall have it to me at now. Was I just say nothing? Mamma, over Swabra was me. Over Swabra would be. And yes, you shall run with your coin. Sunni, one empire, and radio money permanent body, and radio bravo. We see what bravo. We are one day up, no man what bravo by. What boy we shall buy. Miss Bambo, Radimo, and the Mawa Mano. Miss Bambo, and Mosicasam. Yes, Bambo, and the Mawa Juma. Oh, go school. Yes, Bambo the Mount. Oh, we are Juma. Yes, Bambo the Mount. Obi pia da wabrabo Erade Yakobon mo ho bai na onka ho. Psalm 11 verse 3 what say?
Psalm 11 verse 3. If the foundations are destroyed, what can the righteous do?
If the foundation of the righteous is destroyed, what can he do? Ma when you go on your family, the radio of my age, and yes, it was saying, Miss Simidai, let me see a miss over time. So, never saying, Super top, a woman too, and from a far, and smoke married. If he says, I'm going to tell me,
Miss Simidai, one more time, so now I told me, I'm a sin, no, yeah, I'm in Jesus better, everybody. Messi me down, Robuta Mesu, Atomi Bo, Namasi no ye, oh, Namine, Jesus Betna, Messi me down, Robuta Mesu, Esuita, Emimi Suro, Ahumitu Swa, Jesus, that's not.